Okay, hi everyone. I'm Marine Taktak from Paris 100, here with Avel, who is a grad from Real Pilates, and we're going to teach you today a little rolling with resistance. Ready?
Oui.
So we are teaching on the Cadillac here because it's more comfortable, but you know, if you are on the mat at home, you have a little mount to do first, and then lay down on your mat. We're going to warm you up before rolling all the way.
Okay.
Place your feet a bit more closer to your butt. Stay here, take a deep breath in. Exhale and curl up the chest. Slide your hands forward, lift your arms at the level of your shoulders and your hips. Stay here. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, try to curl up the chest, but plug your hips down into the mat. 2 more, nice. Inhale. Exhale, curl up, 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 up. 1 more time, inhale. Exhale, curl up deeper, 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 and roll the spine all the way down. She is red already. And take a deep breath in. Exhale, curl up. And because it's called with resistance, we're going to place the hands on the side of the thighs. Press your legs with your hands like you have a magic circle. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, press and curl the chest. Turn them up. 2 more times. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, curl up, 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 tail down. 1 more time, take a deep breath in. Exhale, push into your feet on the mat in the same time. And lower the spine down. Whew. Now we're gonna see what's happened with your leg toward you. Bring your legs into a frog position. Curl up your chest. Place your hands exactly on the same spot. And stretch your legs to 45 degrees. Pretend it's something in between like double leg stretch and 100. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, curl up. You may bend your elbows a bit more, but keep your shoulders into your back. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, curl up, 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 up. 1 more time, take a deep breath in. Exhale, curl up. Reach your arms forward. We are ready for the 100. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Deep breath in. Exhale, all the air out. Inhale. Squeeze the back of your legs and curl up your chest. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you are available to lower your legs a bit, go for it. At home, be careful with your lower back. Inhale. Exhale, what's happened with the upper back? Yes. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. 30 more. Wrap the back of your legs muscles. Nice, she's going lower. Last one. Exhale, all the air out. Hold there. Wrap your hands with your legs. Stay here. Press, resist, press, resist, press, resist. Bend your knees and lower everything down. Woo. Now we are warm and we can start something. Grab the back of your legs. Rock up to sit. Whew. Half roll down first. Place your feet. Place your hands on the outside. The resistance. Your hands are pressing in. Your legs are pressing out. You find your C curve. You're rounding the spine over. Can you bring your head toward your knees? Keep the armpit muscles connected. Yeah. Press into your feet to roll back halfway. Keep your knees exactly on the same spot. Find the resistance arms and legs. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, you roll the lower back just a bit more, like one vertebra. Again, take a deep breath in. Exhale, keep your feet pressing the mat down. 1 more, take a deep breath in. Exhale, roll a bit more. And then round the spine, bend your elbows and roll back up. 1 more time like this. Roll back a bit. Exhale, your feet are pushing, it's a resistance. Your legs are pulling out. Your hands are pulling in. And the stomach is scooping. 1 more. Exhale, scoop, 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 scoop. And roll all the way back up. Woo. Show me the rolling like a ball position. I love the rolling exercise. I feel like a kid. I'm just like rock back and in. Stay here. We're going to find some resistance. Your hands are pressing your ankles toward your sit. That's warm your arms. But your legs don't want that. Push your legs and your feet into your hands. Rounding the spine. Stay here. 1 millimeter backward. Just 1 millimeter and hold. Oh, she's smiling. Stay here. Round your spine a bit more toward your legs, but keep the heels toward your seat. Keep your feet pushing here. Okay, we try to roll just 3 centimeters. Roll back 3 centimeters. Resist to come back. 2 more. 3 centimeters. Resist to come back. 1 more. 3 centimeters. resist to come back. Now we roll for real. Inhale, roll back. Heels to sit and come back up. Excellent. Inhale, roll back. Exhale, come back in. One more time. Inhale, roll back. Exhale, come back in. Lower your feet. Take just a little break. Yeah, it's a lot of resistance. You don't need spring. You are the own springs.
No,
Show me the same position. Rolling like a ball with resistance. Stay here. This time you're going to reach your arms forward. Reach your arms like straight all the way. And I want you to find the resistance between the biceps and the knees. So the biceps want to squeeze in, the knees want to open out. Can you give me more seeker forward? Yeah. And we roll 3 centimeters. Exhale up. Woohoo! 3 centimeters. Pretend you have a magic circle here. And up. One more time, 3 centimeters. Come back, keep the heels to sit. Now we roll for real. Kidneys. Roll back. And up. She did it. Roll back. And up. Keep that connection. One more time. Roll back. And up. And lower your feet down. Ooh, it's a fire inside.
Oh, yes.
Okay, one more thing for rolling like a ball.
Okay.
Show me the rolling like a ball position, the regular one. Yeah, now we're gonna place your elbows at 19 degrees on top. So your elbows are resisting down as your knees are pulling up, but your heels are pulling in and your stomach is like smiling. And just 3 centimeters, roll back, press your elbows and come back. Keep breathing, roll back and come back. One more time, 3 centimeters. Come back. Now, please, everyone, do your best. This is very hard. We rock and roll. Roll back. Elbows down to come back up. She did it. 2 more. Roll back. Exhale, come back up. 1 more. Roll back. Exhale, roll back up. Lower your feet and roll the spine down. Ooh. Stretch your legs long. Give you some stretch onto your hips. Reach your arms backward. Backward all the way. And we give you a roll up to sit. Arms up, head up. Round your spine and stretch all the way. Whew. Now we have the seal. Bend your knees. Slide your feet, slide your hand inside your legs and grab your ankles. Just show me the regular position. This time, instead of having the arms pressing in, we want the arms pressing out. That's the resistance. But your knees are pressing in, so you have a magic circle inside and not outside. Just open a bit your legs and come back in with resistance. Out, you're stretching the springs. In, you're squeezing that springs. One more time, out. And squeeze. Now you know the music. We have clap, 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 go. Clap, 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 roll back. Clap, 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 resist up. Clap, 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 roll back. Clap, 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 resist up. 2 more times. Clap, 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 roll. Clap, 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 roll. Last one. Clap, 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 roll. Clap, 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 roll. Stay here. Give me that resistance. Can you see curve more? Can you place your heels toward your seat? Round your spine, round your spine, round your spine. And lower your feet down. Did you get a quick rolling workout?
Roll-tastic.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to everyone.
Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah.
And if you travel in Paris, you are welcome to 100.
Come, come, come. Yum, yum.
Bye.